Welcome to the Complete Music Production Blueprint. In this course, I will show you how to set up your studio for music production. That means what hardware and software do you need? How to go from a demo to a full song, and that there are different genres where you can learn not only the production process with real musicians, but also how to produce completely in the box. And I also go through the possibilities of AI, not to replace you, but to give you inspiration. I will have amazing guests here as well, like Pietro Basile and Simon Blaze, but also amazing instrumentalists when it's time to record real instruments. You will learn how to mix a full song with the plugins you already have in your software. For that module, I challenged myself and remixed a song I did with all the fancy paid plugins and tried to beat it with my experience now and the plugins that are free to use. The mixing module includes an introduction webinar, static mix, EQ, compression, panning, levels, de-essing, mix bus compression. It's everything you need to know. I will also give you an introduction to mastering, showing you how to master your own productions for releasing them to the world. And that includes tools like analyzers to measure your loudness, compare your songs to your favorite pro songs, limiters, EQ, bouncing, much more. Once the song is ready, it's time to upload it to Spotify, Apple Music, and all the streaming platforms in between. So I show you step by step how to do that. And because I want this to be a living and breathing course, I also added a bonus module where I go through mix breakdowns, special ideas I have, or productions I'm working on. And I also put my perfect vocal course in that section, including over 20 videos on recording, editing, comping, tuning, de-essing, compressing, EQing, and mixing vocals in general. This will help you record perfect vocals, backing vocals, and ad-libs every time. For all the modules, you will be able to download the material to follow along, ebooks to always go back to, and you can send one of your songs to me for free and I will review it inside the community. Sounds good? Alright, then purchase the Complete Music Production Blueprint now, and we see us on the other side.